Is Islam only for Arabs? Many people think so, but the truth is far greater. Assalamu alaikum. If this video has reached you, then you are very lucky. Don't ever think that this video has come to you by chance. Allah Almighty has chosen you to watch this video. My dear brothers and sisters, today we're addressing a common misconception that Islam is an Arab religion. In reality, Islam is a universal message sent for all of humanity. It is not bound by race, language, or nationality. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we share 2 videos, practical tips and spiritual reminders to protect your rizq. Islam began in Arabia, yes, with the Prophet Muhammad. But the Qur'an itself declares, "We have sent you, O Muhammad, as a mercy to all the worlds." That means Islam was never meant for one tribe, one ethnicity, or one region. It is a guidance for all people. Today, the largest Muslim population is not in the Arab world, it's in Indonesia, with over 200 million Muslims. South Asia, countries like Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh, together have hundreds of millions of Muslims. Across Africa, Islam has flourished for centuries, from Nigeria to Senegal, from Egypt to Tanzania. In fact, Arabs make up only about 20% of the global Muslim population. The majority of Muslims are non-Arabs. Islam transcends race and language. Whether you speak Arabic, Malay, Urdu, Swahili, or English, the message is the same: La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. The Quran was revealed in Arabic, but its wisdom belongs to all humanity. Translations exist in every major language, so people everywhere can access its guidance. Islam unites people under one God, one faith, and one brotherhood, no matter their background. So, is Islam only for Arabs? Absolutely not. Islam is a universal way of life, a mercy for all mankind. It doesn't matter where you come from, what language you speak, or the color of your skin. What matters is your sincerity in worshipping Allah and following His guidance. Islam is not Arab. Islam is universal, and that universality is its beauty. Thank you for watching Green Diamond. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that bring clarity and motivation. Let's spread knowledge, not misconceptions.